Hey there! The YC-100 10.10 with auto-fall technology brings hands-free position to your cigar preservation. Follow these steps for a perfect setup. Step 1. Water connection preservation. Before installation, ensure your cabinet has waterline access to connect the humidifier, power outlet for the plug. Step 2. Unit installation. Position the humidifier at the bottom of the cigar cabinet. Install the water supply. Step 3. System connections. Route the 1-meter sensor to your cigar storage area and connect the touchscreen controller via USB or third batteries. Then, mount the controller at your preferred view height. At last, connect to the power. Step 4. Auto-fall activation. Slowly open the water supply valve. Observe the flow system automatically stopping at the optimal level. Then, you don't need to attention it again. The system will maintain this water level indefinitely. When the water level is lower, then the water float will work it again. When the water float controls the water tank is full, here is the water level. Step 5. Humidity control. Reconnect the power supply and the display off. You can see the main board light flashing quickly. Now, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Successfully pairing is confirmed by a solid LED and a connection icon. Here is a note. Pairing must be completed within 30 seconds. If it failed, restart the process. Current humidity 55% RH and the aim humidity range is 60 to 70% RH. Then let's set it. Press and hold on the down button. We can see it's flashing. Up or down. Example 72% RH. Wait it flashing, then we set it successfully. It's same for the start humidity range. Long press the up button, flashing. Same 60% RH, wait it flashing. Yeah, then the start humidity and stop humidity is set finished. Remember, start humidity must be lower than stop humidity, otherwise it will turn into a fault code. Also, on the display you can see here is a fan icon. It means the fan is working successfully. Your YC-100 10.10 is now maintaining perfect condition automatically. For commercial bulk orders or technology support, visit GetJoeAir.com. I'm Cloud. Thank you for your watching.